You may know that I've planned in some collaborations called Challenge Tracey, and I'm being challenged to all sorts of things that are not just outside of my comfort zone, sometimes nothing to do with resin, but sometimes things that I tried once about 40 years ago and was really bad at. So GertCreates, thanks for this one. Watercolours. And then, anyway, that's when it started to get out of hand. I spent money I shouldn't have spent. But this is the Winsor & Newton professional set, which, as you can see, I've been having a play with. Not so very good. That one wasn't bad, I thought. I was definitely getting the hang of leaves. Then I decided to just do myself a colour sample. Watercolours tend to lighten as they dry. So you'll go in thinking, oh my God, I've overdone it there. Oh gosh, that blue's too blue, or whatever. And then you'll find further down the line, it really wasn't.